Hi guys, welcome to the channel Learn Concepts with Nikhil. Discover, learn and grow. So in the previous videos, we have learned about DDL, DDL, DML and DQL, right? Data definition language, data manipulation language and data query language. So in this video, we will be learning about TCL, transaction control language. And there are two main commands in the TCL. There are two main commands in the TCL. One is commit and second one is rollback. So commit is nothing but see TCL क्या करता है कि like the changes which you have made with the DML na DML statements are there, right? Insert, delete as well as update. uh, the changes which you have made with the DML commands are not permanent. They are just temporary purpose. They are just for analyzing purpose per DQL, but they are not permanent. If you close the software or if you log out of the software and if you open the interface again, like those changes will be not available. But if we the changes will be not available with respect to DML commands. So TCL comes into the picture to make those changes permanent. So TCL has, as said before, TCL has two main commands. One is commit and second one is rollback. Commit क्या करता है कि like the changes which you have made with DML commands, right? Insert, delete and update. वो परमानेंट नहीं है, वो लाइक दे आर टेम्पररी ओनली. TCL में कमिट कीवर्ड क्या करता है कि लाइक इफ यू commit the commit the code, the changes will be becoming permanent. This is all about the commit, and rollback is the one like it is like redo karna, like एक step backward jana. So like let's take an example, guys. So the you can see these yeah, this data. I'll be inserting other tables also. So insert into players. Instead of Rohit, I'll keep Rahul, and I'll insert and I'll select the players. Like select करना. Now, क्या है like the changes which are made right to the table to the data, they are not permanent. They are just temporary. इसको परमानेंट करने के लिए we will be इसको परमानेंट करने के लिए we will be using commit statement, commit keyword. So before making it to commit, we will learn one thing like MySQL software will be automatically like default में auto commit टिक रहेगा, वर्ड में रहेगा. That means like auto commit will be there for that means auto commit will be there in MySQL. But if you're working in the real world or real world applications or बाहर का databases से work कर रहे हो ना, then there is a possibility that auto commit will not be in default mode. So you have to make the changes permanent. So इसलिए we will be using a commit statement. So these as I said, you these are temporary, and if I close my software, they will be eradicated. They will be vanished. But if I uh, like, but if I commit the code, then the changes will be made permanent. So first, what we will do, set auto commit to commit to 0, and we will be running this. So auto commit 0 हो गया. Now commit. And if we if we run this commit statement, now the changes will be made permanent with respect to DML statements. Before that, they are not permanent; they are just temporary. Insert, delete, and all they are just temporary. But if we run this commit keyword, right, the changes will be made permanent. Yeah. Now you can select. So the changes are made permanent if you close the if you close the MySQL server, and if you close the MySQL server or MySQL software, and even after you log in again, like the changes will be made permanent. It will not be temporary. Temporary में क्या होता है? If you close the server and if you log into MySQL server, the changes will be gone, but not in commit. It won't happen in commit. Why? Because the changes are remain in a permanent state. This is about commit, and rollback is nothing but like going to one step backward. For example, let's take an update. So I want to update this. So update this. Uh, First, let us see the rollback definition. Rollback takes a step back, but we cannot roll back a committed state. Like rollback क्या कर सकते हैं? Temporary changes होता ना. Like if temporary changes are there, we can go backward. Like one step backward जा सकते हैं हम. We can go one step backward. But after committing the statement, now we cannot go backward. For example, let's see. Update player set is equal to, okay, set name is equal to uh, Pant. Sorry, set name is equal to Pant, where name is equal to Rohit, right? So Rohit कहाँ है? First column में है. So we will run this. So it got executed, and we will, sorry. So select star from players, right? Players. So if we run this now, it will be updated. Like Rohit got changed into Pant. But if you want to roll back, like roll back, so it will be taking one step back. So roll back करके, if we select from players, see, uh, sorry, rollback is not like rollback execute नहीं हुआ. First, we will be executing the rollback. Rollback, we will be executing the rollback, and rollback got executed. Now we will be selecting the select star from players. If we execute this now, it will be going one step backward. Why? Because इधर क्या किया हम? रोहित को पंत से अपडेट किया, but we did not commit the state. So it will be going to backward state if we press the rollback, if we execute the rollback. Now डेटा सेट में क्या आएगा? लाइक रोहित ही आएगा इंस्टेड ऑफ पंत. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट वेंट टू वन स्टेप बैकवर्ड, राइट? सी रोहित ही आया. पर लेट्स टेक, वी हैव एग्जीक्यूटेड दिस अगेन, एंड उसको एग्जीक्यूटेड दिस अगेन, एंड उसको कमिट किया मैंने. लाइक आई हैव committed this, like so that the changes will be made permanent. So commit किया और select from players लिखा था. Select from players execute किया, and it's got fun. ये तो क्या, this got changed permanently because like commit किया था मैंने. Now if I uh, if I go to rollback also, the changes, 1 minute, rollback किया था ना, but the changes are made permanent, so rollback नहीं होगा. Like it cannot go to backward step पर. See, Pantic, Rohit nahi tha. Like there was no Rohit. There was only Pant. Why? Because we committed the changes. We committed the changes in the update statement, right? So rollback cannot be done for the committed state, but rollback can be done if the changes are not permanent and are in the temporary state. That is DML statements को rollback कर सकते हैं. We can do rollback for DML statements, but we cannot do commit, like we cannot do rollback for committed statements. So yeah, this is all about TCL guys, and DCL be here. I'll be saying you about DCL. DCL is nothing but like इसका full form कुछ होगा like data control language, and it will mainly DCL will be used by data administrators like उसमें टू कीवर्ड्स होगा, ग्रांट एंड रिवोक, ग्रांट एक्सेस एंड रिवोक एक्सेस है. सो डेटा एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स के पास ग्रांट एक्सेस और रिवोक एक्सेस होगा. एज एज वी आर लाइक वी आर doing this course in the perspective in the scope of data analytics and business analytics ना. So हमको DCL, like we don't want to know about DCL, but the keywords in the DCL are grant as well as revoke. It is mainly like only database administrators will be using the DCL commands, but as a data analyst or business analyst we will not be using क्या DCL का commands. So the main thing here we have to remember is like we will be using DDL sometimes, we will be using DML, and we will be using DQL frequently. As a data analyst and the business analyst, we will be using DQL frequently. And at TCL, we will be using TCL too in order to make the changes permanent and in order to go to backward step. Like Excel में रहा था ना, redo undo ऐसा. So rollback is nothing but we can go to step back, like one step backward. Rollback use करने से we can go to one step backward, and commit use करने से we can make the changes permanently. So DML का changes temporary होता, commit keyword use करने से they will be becoming permanent. So ऐसा guys, thank you. This is all about DML, DC, all the types of commands. From the next video and from the next lecture, we will learn some advanced concepts.